So go ahead and turn to the next clean page in your journal. Put the date and write your I can statement. Pause the video and then come back and join me. Welcome back. Today is October 26th, 2020, and our I can statement says, I can multiply a decimal by a multi-digit whole number and reason about the placement of the decimal. Here we go. You just watched a video, and so we're going to solve a few problems in our journal. So the first problem we want to solve is 8 and 26 hundredths times 100, no, not 128. What am I thinking? Times 28. Sorry about that, guys. Remember we had those thinking bubbles? I'm going to put them in a different place just so that, just for consistency sake. We want to turn 8 and 26 hundredths into a whole number so that we can solve using the standard algorithm. So what we want to do, we need to multiply 8 and 26 hundredths by what? Yeah, by 100. So my thinking bubble, I'm going to put here, and I'm just going to say times 100. And that moves that decimal 2 times to the right. Now I have 826. Here we go. 8 times 6 is 48. Put down the 8, carry the 4. 8 times 2 is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. Put down the 0, carry the 2. 8 times 8 is 64. 65, 66. Zip, zap, 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 more makes 5. And 2 times 8 is 16. Add your partial products. 8, 2, 11, carry the 1. 6 and 6 is 12, and 1 more makes 13. Carry the 1. Now, 23,128 is not reasonable, and I know that because my whole number in the original problem, 8 and 26 hundredths, is 8. And when I have 8, let me scoot this over so you can see. And what does 28 round to? This is how we are reasoning about the placement of our decimal. Okay, 28 rounds to 30. So if I multiply 8 times 30, that's going to give me 240. 23,128 is nowhere near 240. Wait a minute. Up here, I multiplied in the factor, I multiplied by 100. And so down here in my next thinking bubble, I know I need to divide my product by 100. That will move this decimal 2 times to the left. So now 231 is my whole number, and that is very close to 240. So I know that my answer is reasonable. Try this next one on your own. Pause the video and try and solve, and then unpause and check your work. 82 and 51/100 times 63. Okay, so what did you put in your thinking bubble here? You're multiplying by 100 because I want to turn 82 and 51/100 into a whole number, 8,251. Now I multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 more makes 7. 3 times 8 is 24. Zip, zap, and 0. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 2 is 12. 13, 14, 15. Put down the 5. Carry the 1. 6 times 8 is 48. 1 more makes 49. Add your partial products. 3, 11, 8, 9, 11. Oh my goodness, 519,813? That doesn't sound reasonable. When I round this whole number 80, or 82 to 80, and 63 to 60, well, 80 times 60 is 4,800. That's not very close to 519,000. Ooh. So, that's right. In the factors, I multiplied by 100. So in the product, I need to divide by 100. 1, 2. There we go. 5,198 is much closer to 4,800. Both this number and my product round to 5,000. Excellent job, guys. Work hard on your problem set today.